Welcome everyone to Microsoft Access Database Tutorials with me Ahmed, and this is a preview for a new database about human resources. So here is our login form. So let's start and see how it works. So first of all, we have some details about the company name. This database is about human resources. It's about calculating the salaries of all employees that belong to a specific company. So here is our current company, for example. So whatever company we have, we will add its data and it will show on our login form like this. So now let's log in and see what we have. I will select username and enter the password. So here is our main screen. So I have this one is human resources. So up here I have the user entered its username and its user type. This one is admin and its name is user1, for example. From this button I can edit the username and its password for just the current user here, like this. So I can edit the username and its password. Then I will click on save and log out, and it would log out again. So let's try it with you one more time here, Ahmed and 123, for example. Save and log out, just like this. It logged out again and opened the login form. So now I have Ahmed on the list and its password like this. Now log in. Now it says Ahmed here. So let's change it back again to the main value as user1 and previous password like this. Okay, now the other button about users. This is for editing the other users which are different from the main admin user. So here we see just two users while we have three users on our list, because the main user is protected against any editing. I just can edit its name and password, but I can't edit its admin value because it must be admin forever. I need to have just at least one admin user that's available all times. So now here I have just the other users. I can edit them as I like. I can select its line, and from edit here I can show all data, so I can change anything I need, whatever, no problem here, just like this. Okay, so this is users section. Now let's move on to the main data for our database about human resources. So let's start from the top part on the left. So first of all, we will start from the company. We have a company, so I will go here for company and I will add all data. The company here, this is for the company name. I will add the name here. Then company industry and the company address. Okay, and the phone number if I want. Here I have email address if I need it, and a website, and any notes, any other notes if I have, just like this. So after saving these values, it would show on our login form like this. So it would show here. So when the user opens the database, he will see which company is it about, and it would be easier to figure out this way. So let's go back again. So now we have seen the company data. After this, I will go to the department inside this company. So for example, I have 4 departments here. So let's open any one of them. So for each department I just have its title, and this one is enough for us for now. So I can have a title for the department and any description needed. So it would be just like a list, like this one. So here I have 4 departments, 1, 2, 3, 4, with any name we need. Okay, after this, by the way, you can add more departments if we need from add new. Would open empty here, so I can add more value if I want. For example, let's make it department 5 and description 5, like this, and I will save it and close, and it would be shown on the bottom of the list here, department 5. Okay, now let's close our department section here, and after this we will go for the employee. Now we will add employees for each department we have here. So I will open employee, and it would show a list at first here. So we have for now we have 2 employees here. So we have their ID number, their name and gender, male or female, and employment status, which is active for now, on leave. Okay, so let's open any one of them. From edit, it would show like this. So on the top here we have all fixed data for that employee. So let's see it here one by one. First we have its ID number, then its name here, gender, and date of birth is written here. So after this we have contact data information, like 2 phone numbers and 2 emails and 1 address, like this. And after this we have the other section of employment status here as active. I can change it if I want, and hire date, the first time to start working, and resignation date. If he leaves the work, we will add the date of resignation here. So this one is active, so he has no resignation date. He has no resignation date. Okay, so these are the main values, the main data for this employee. And the other one here is the same. By the way, I can add one more employee if I want, from add new here, or on the other page, on the previous page here, from add new here. If I click this one, it will open but in empty status, just like this. Okay, I can add all new data I need, a new ID number, new employee name, and so on. So for now, let's continue with one of the employees we have. So for this one, I will show it to you. I have the main data here. After this, I will open the bottom tabs here one by one and see what they have. So first of all, we have the position. So this one is for the position of that employee, and if it changes, we will show that change on our list. So here I am showing the position by date. So the first one would be on the bottom of this list, just like this. So here one on the ninth month, the first of the 9th month, and 2025. And after 1 month we have another position here. Okay, so this is the first position. For this date he was on department 1, and its position was number 1, position 1, and he had some salary values. Just like here we have basic salary, allowance 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 3. Then the total value of these values here, gross salary. So for example we have 7,000 here, 1,500, 500, so the total is gonna be 10,000 here. So it works this way. For each employee he could have many positions by time. So his first position was on this date on the department 1 and position 1, and he had these salary values. And the second position, it was after a month from that date, and it was by another department and another position, and with these salary details like this. So now I need this data to apply it on the salary month by month. So for example, when I started, I just had that line, only that line. So whatever I see here, I would use this value to pay to that employee. And after 1 month from that date, he had another position with another value, so I will start to use this value here as the latest value for that employee. Okay, so now let's move on to the other tab of salary. Here on this one, as you see here, on the first month he got the first value on that month, and after 1 month his position was changed and he had another value. So this value was applied according to this date. So as you see here, he started to get this value from that date like this. Okay, so we have salaries here. After this we have vacation balance. Vacation balance is about the total number of days available for taking a vacation, just like this. So it has a starting date and days value, number of days. So here from 9/1/2025 he has 25 days, so he can get vacations up to 25 days, just like this. And after this it wouldn't be allowed. The program wouldn't record any values up more than 25 days for vacations. So after this I will go for vacation and start applying vacations like this. So as you see here, I have vacation types 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on. Anyway, these values I'm writing them as I like here. Whatever I write is gonna be accepted. It's just a name. Okay, so let's try with you to enter one more vacation to make it easier. So for example, you see a list here, but I don't have to select one of these values on our list here. I can also add one more value. For example, let's make it vacation 6. I'm taking one more vacation. So this one, let's make it on the same order. After 922, I will make it 928 and 2025. So here we have days. How many days to get a vacation? So for example, let's make it 1 day. I will take 1 day. Okay. Vacation factor. This vacation factor is about the day count to be cut from our vacation balance here. As we saw it before, it was 25 days. So if this one is equal 1, it means if I take 1 day, it will be counted as 1 day from our balance. If I make it 2, this means if I take a vacation for 1 day, it would be counted as 2 days. So I'll make it just one by one, like this. Here, salary factor, this means the effect of our vacation on our salary. So this one is for the number of days applied on our salary. For example, if I make it 0, this means the salary is not affected by this vacation type. If I make it 1 and save it, it comes to the top here. This means according to the salary factor of 1, it would cut the value of 1 day from our salary value, just like this. If I make it a half, it would take just half day. So this is the best method for applying vacation with vacation balance option and salary option. So this way I can control any type of vacation, whatever it has. So I can make it free with 0 vacation factor and 0 salary factor, like this. So you can apply them as you like without getting any punishment like this. It would be free. And I can apply whatever I want for that vacation according to the case we have. So here I will make it 1, and this one, let's say it's gonna be 1 as well. Save. So this value is gonna would be the value that would be cut from our salary here. Yeah, just like this. And all other values are the same way. For example, vacation 1, I made it on a specific date, number of days 1, and vacation factor 1. This means this 1 day it would be counted for the balance as just 1 day, and for the salary it would be counted as just half day, like this, and so on. And you can see the values and their effect here. And also the total of these days for now: 1, 3, 4, and 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all of them are 10 days. So still less than 25 days. So I can add more vacation here without any warning from the program. If I reach this value 25, I will get a warning message that this one is not available. For example, if I try to change this one to get the high value, just like 20 days, for example, let's try to save this one. 20, and this one, it has the vacation factor 1, 21, and this one also 22 and 23. So it's not enough yet, so let's make it 23. Let's try again. Now it's not working. Why? Because the total of the days is exceeding the value of 25. So this means it says here vacation days exceed the maximum balance. Only 22 days are available. This means besides the other vacations here of this one, 1 plus 1 plus 1, this means 3. So from the total value of 25, we just have 22 days remained. So for this one, I can just apply 22 days at most. So let's go back again and make it just one. Now it's gonna work correctly like this. Okay, we have applied this vacation. So let's move on another section of penalty, and this one is similar to the vacation. So we have the penalty name. We can write whatever we need here. It's gonna be added to our list automatically. So I will add another penalty with you like this as example. For example, we will see it on our list here if we want to use it one more time. So we will add another date. So let's make it 10 15 2025. So penalty, it would be for, let's say, 1 day. And the salary factor. The salary factor, we can apply it as we want, no problem here. So let's make it, for example, 2 days and save it. So it would cut 2 days from the salary, total salary value, like this. So whatever penalty type we have, we can apply it with the salary factor like this. So it would be calculated on the right way here, as you see here. Okay, let's move on. And the last section we have is our add remove section. This one, we use it if we will raise his salary for a specific month or cut from him. We will use this step just like this. So we have two cases here, add or remove. So for example, this time let's make it remove. I am removing for a specific month for this employee. So what is the note here? We can add note here for whatever we need. So as you see here, whatever I add on our list is gonna show here. So I can use them again or add something new as I need. Let's make it 3 like this. You will see it here after updating, no problem. So here let's add a new date, 10, 16 or 18, 2025. Days, I will make it just 1 day. I make the salary factor, I will make it 1 day. Save. So it would be just like this one. Okay. And the list also was updated with the new data here, as you see. So now we have added all data for our database. Now it's time to see the full results of our months here for all employees. So I will close this screen and this one also. So we have finished this section here. We will move to the report section. We have two parts here, one for salary and other for vacation. I will check the salary first. So for now, we have this list. This means all employees and all their salary months, like this. For example, I can search for any employee or any month as I need. For example, start searching by the employee name. So let's say employee number 1. So I will get all months for that employee, just like this. So I'm seeing now the total value of that month, of each month for him, just like this. Now I can print this list from here, print, to print this list. I know it could be longer if we add all data we have. Also can check the details that made this total here. From details, we will show all data was added for that month. So as you see here from the bottom, he had the main salary value here. After this, this value was cut as a penalty. Then another value was added, just like this one, and another penalty was cut, and another value was added, and another penalty, and a value was removed, just like this. So the total became here this one. Also on our detail list, we can print this list if we need it from print here. So I can get the total value up here with its month date, and all details down here, so we can check everything happened and make sure if we have any data wrong or not. Yeah, just like this here. Also can check a specific date for all employees the same way, salary date. So I will check, for example, the second month, which is 10/1/2025, just like this. So I am seeing all employees on a specific date, just like this. So I can print them and I get a list for all employees for a specific month. Yeah, so this is the monthly salary. Also we have the vacation report here. So here for each employee you can see the remain balance, the vacation balance remained after getting some vacations. So for employee 1, he has 21 days left, and the other he didn't. He has 25.5 days left. So we can print this list, and also we can check the details of each one. For example, this one. Let's see what we have here. So at first, he had his balance, vacation balance value, which is total 25 days. Then he started to take vacations with different data. The first one was 1 day, and it was counted as 1 day from vacation balance. Vacation balance here was affected by this value. So it was less by 1 day. So here he took 1 day, but this one wasn't affected, so it becomes 0. Okay, and the other are the same. Another day with one vacation factor. This one no zero, it's not affected. This one is affected, and this one zero not affected. This one is affected, just like this. So the total is gonna be 25 plus these minus values. So we'll get the total value of 21 days, like here, as you see. And the other one is similar to the other employee, like this. So he has his total balance down here, then the vacation values calculated up here. So the total value is gonna be the sum of all of them. So we get the total value of 25.5, just like this. So on this list we can print all values here from print. So it's gonna give our report here with the total balance left, vacation balance left up here, and the vacations applied down here on the list. So we have every thing we need to know about vacations here. So this is all about our database right now. Okay guys, these are all the details we have for now on human resources database. So if you still have more details for managing your employees, please feel free to contact me. We can develop it together and make it even larger to contain all details we want to apply. So this is all for now. I hope you like it. And if you're still confused about anything, please feel free to contact me. I will try my best to help you with whatever you need. So I hope you the best and see you next time.